It is cleanup time on the homestead, and I had to bring you out here just to show you something glorious. I'm working on trimming back the leaves off of the strawberries from last year, but I also wanted to show you our beautiful rosemary plant. I grow this for seasonings and the beauty of it and its scent. It's gorgeous. But here in spring, it is amazing. And I just had to share it with you. Look at this. It is so beautiful. Flowering plants that provide you with wonderful flavors for your food. And then down here, we've got all of the strawberries coming back in. And I'm getting ready to trim off all the old leaves from last year. Garden's a little rough, but it is spring and we're working on spring cleaning. We're trimming trees, pulling weeds, all that wonderful stuff that you have to do to start your garden. Had to bring you along to show you this beautiful rosemary plant.
Do you grow rosemary in your garden? Let us know in the comments how you use it. Do you use it fresh or dried or infused in oil or even a drink?
I appreciate you guys coming along with me today for our little tour of the rosemary. Continue on your journey with us and just subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and happy homesteading adventures.